in Goa. We are ready to go to beach now. ड्रेस अप हो गया है और ये है हट। 1200 रुपये 2 नाइट का, इससे ज़्यादा क्या मिलेगा आपको गोवा में? इससे सस्ता नहीं मिलेगा। हमने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि हमें इतना अच्छा स्पॉट और इतनी अच्छी चीज जगह मिल जाएगी नाइट स्टे करने के लिए। वी आर रेडी। नंगा आ गया तू। आपको बाथरूम भी दिखाता। बाथरूम ऐसा है नहीं कुछ वैसा, लेकिन हट में हमेशा ऐसा ही रहता है। इट्स जस्ट नॉर्मल हट। जो दीप है, जो यहाँ के ओनर हैं, वो सिडनी में रह करके वहाँ पे जॉब करके यहाँ शिफ्ट हो गए, इसीलिए इस बीच का नाम, इस हट का, इस स्पॉट का, इस डेस्टिनेशन, इस स्टे का नाम सिडनी एक्स बोल के। बीच हट बहुत अच्छा है। अभी तक तो बहुत अच्छा लगा एक्सपीरियंस, अभी तक तो बहुत अच्छा था। आगे देखते हैं बीच पे कौन मिलता है।
We are on Arambol beach. We are on Arambol beach. We have just reached here and we booked the tent hut. And then we are going to go into the beach now to have some fun. Hi guys, it's almost good afternoon I guess. So we have come to Arambol beach to get the view. So that is where we are staying. Sydney X hut. Beach huts. Sydney beach huts. I don't know if you can see. We got the room for just 1200 for 2 nights, guys. So cheap deal. Just 50 meters from the beach. So we have decided we'll take a walk on the beach. What do you say?
If you want to enjoy Goa, don't think about going to best hotel or big hotels. Always search for the destination where you get a very good view of the sea. So here we can easily watch sunset in the evening by sitting out at our hut only. Or we can come to this beach place. It is exactly on beach. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको होटल पे जाना पड़ेगा, दूर जाना पड़ेगा, स्टे लेना पड़ेगा लंबा। आराम से यहाँ पे आके रहिए।
You don't need slippers, you don't need clothes.
You don't need anything. If you are not coming with any, I mean, you don't have to carry your luggage also. You come with the t-shirt and short. Everything you will get here. Get it for rent, or you want to buy, you can buy it and enjoy the beach. If you take it on rent, again, you don't have to carry it and take it to your place. It's simply you just come, buy on rent, take on rent and enjoy the beach.
So the good thing about this beach is it is not crowded, guys. So if you want peace, you hate crowds. In this time of corona, you don't. It's better you avoid crowd. So we have preferred this location. Okay.
Show them that viewpoint.
1 minute.
Back side.
Look at that, guys. At any distance, you don't see any kind of crowd here. Listen to the waves sound. Goa is on.
And the best part is you will get very less crowd. So you have enough space to enjoy. Sit anywhere, do whatever you want to. You can drink at beach, you can drink in the sea as well. Carry your bottle and you can enter the sea, finish your drink, put it at your place, then come back and enjoy.
गोवा वाले बीच पे इधर अभी बीच के अंदर जा रहे हैं हम लोग। मैंने अभी वाटर प्रूफ केसिंग नहीं लगाया, तो मैं ज़्यादा अंदर नहीं जाऊंगा। आई गेट द GoPro बैक टू इट्स ओरिजिनल शेट एंड देन आई विल कम बैक। फॉर नाउ बस यही है। पड़ा में दूसरा बड़ा आ रहा है।
And then one more thing, if you go to any other beach, you will get lot of crowd. Here you can come with your family, you can enjoy. If you see surrounding, people are coming with their families and very less crowd, so you get enough space to enjoy the sea. You can check from back side. Simply a best place to enjoy.
one big wave. I'm little worried about my GoPro, so I get me the original case and then I'll come back and shoot, guys. Bye.
पेमेंट कैसे करना है आपको? गूगल पे है आंटी के पास.
This is called Digital India, guys. आंटी क्या क्या
आने के बाद कुछ भी ले सकते हो आंटी से गूगल पे करके.
क्या रेट है ब्रेसलेट का?
70, 80, 100
ऐसा कुछ है? इसमें क्या खासियत क्या है ब्रेसलेट में?
We are riding alongside the ocean now. Now it is clear. Let me stop for a while to enjoy the view. Look at these guys. You can see the waves out there. They're almost there. The road, so we have another 4.5 kilometers for the fort, so hopefully reaching in 15 minutes. So let me start again.
So I'm almost on top of Chapora Fort, which is also famously known as Dil Chahta Hai Fort. You can see the ocean. So you have to climb almost 150 steps. Okay. And then this is the entrance.
Entrance point for the fort.
Entrance. Girish is also taking a log. So just entering it. And if you see on the left side, I think this is where they shot a couple of scenes from the song Dil Chahta Hai, from the Dil Chahta Hai movie.
Seems like accommodation
It's all rocky.
maintaining it properly. Administrative is not taking care of this place.
There are shops around. Unfortunately, people have thrown a lot of garbage around, though there is dustbin available, which is full, but it's not been cleaned. I don't know from how many days. But this is how it is. So you see a lot of tourists coming in, and this is one of the main attractions in Goa. Of course, after the beaches, a lot of beaches, but I think forts are very less. This is a Portuguese fort which was built back in the day when India was colonized. People have scattered. You can see the ocean of Chapora Fort, which is famously known as Dil Chahta Hai Fort as well. So here it is. As you can see, this beach around the fort.
On all three sides, only one side you have the mountains, the steps where you have to climb around 150. I'll give you a 360 view of the fort. It is a fort. It has been destroyed, bro.
Destroyed.